Today we're going to be checking out Avalonia, Viera's maintenance-free community, so stick around. Hey, what's up guys? We are back in Viera today and we're going to be checking out Avalonia, which is Viera's maintenance-free community. It's actually very similar to like a 55 plus lifestyle community, but it's actually not age restricted. So this is great for anybody who is a first-time home buyer to somebody who just wants ease of living and lower ownership costs. So I'll give you a little bit of perspective on actually where Avalonia is. We're gonna be in West Viera on the south side off of Stadium Parkway, just west of Reeling Park. If you guys haven't seen our Explore West Viera video, I'll put a link right up here so you guys can take a look at that after this video. So let's go check it out. All right, so here we are walking the streets. We're checking out Avalonia. So like I said, this is a maintenance-free community. It's not a 55 plus, but it's got a lot of the same features as you would find in something like that. It's not age restricted. So you've got all the awesome Viera amenities. The fees are actually pretty reasonable, especially when you break down what they include. So I'm gonna cover that in a minute, so make sure you guys stick around. To give you a quick recap, your fees in Viera are gonna be about $966 a year for all the main fees, and then the Addison Village Club fees are gonna range depending on the actual type of home you have. So they've got a couple different layouts here. You've got a villa, which is kind of what I'm walking by now. It's more of like what you would traditionally think of as a duplex. So they're two attached units. So these are called paired villas. And then you've got a multi, which is like a multiplex. So that's more of a townhome style, but the multis are also single story, so it's more of like a quadruplex. So the villas are going to come in two different models. You've got a Saratoga II, which is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It's just under 1,800 square feet. In fact, I think it comes in at like $1,795. And those are going to start base price at $430,000. Now, a lot of these ones that we're walking by right here are on the water, so they've all got a water view. So depending on your lot, that's going to really dictate the lot premium, if there is one. Some of these don't actually have a lot premium, and then other ones that are going to have, you know, something like a water view or maybe a conservation, those are going to come with somewhat of a lot premium. So you've got the Saratoga II, and then the other model or the other floor plan that's in the villas is going to be the Coronado II. That Coronado II is also going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's a little bit bigger. It comes in at 1,809 square feet. And starting base price on that's going to be $442,900. So you can see here, everything's very well kept. Shingle roofs, stonework on the front. Everything in Avalonia has got paver driveways and sidewalks. They've got a nice, you know, aesthetic shutters on the front. Like very, very nice looking community. Now the HOA fee for the villas comes in at $428 per month. And what does that include? I mean, it literally includes everything. It includes your lawn maintenance, your irrigation, pest control, termite treatment. Your roof is actually covered under the HOA, the outside insurance, so the exterior walls, the air conditioning system, maintenance on that's also included, and your electrical and your plumbing, your exterior walls, your roof, your electrical and your plumbing is actually part of the insurance that's included as well. So basically when you insure these, you are insuring everything from the drywall in. So your insurance cost is gonna be a fraction of what it would be on a regular house. I mean, it's really gonna depend on your coverage limits, probably anywhere between maybe $800 to $1,000 a year. So it's really gonna save you a lot of money there. Now, I'm gonna pop over across the street right here and give you guys a better view as to what the multis look like. The multis are gonna be that more like townhome or quad style. So there's gonna be 4 units attached to each other. Similar look, it's just a block of 4 units. So I'll give you an idea right here. And so these are gonna actually come in 2 different floor plans. So you're gonna have The Monterey II, which are gonna be the 2 end units. So anything that's gonna be on the end is considered a Monterey, and that's gonna be a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Those are coming in at like 1,700 square feet. And the price on the Monterey IIs is starting at like $432,900. Now on the middle units, so the 2 units that are on the inside, so here's 2 that are under construction right there. I'll give you guys an idea. Those middle units are the Lindsey II. Those are also a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Those are 1,481 square feet, and base price on those is just under $394. I think it comes in at like $393,900. So now the HOA on these multis is gonna be less expensive. These are gonna come in at like $374 a month. But it includes all the same things that you get on the villas. It's gonna cover your insurance on the outside, your lawn maintenance, the roof, the exterior paint, pressure washing. Again, these have paver driveways, so all your landscaping and your irrigation's included. So you really get a lot for the money. There's not much you have to worry about in regards to maintenance, and you're literally right behind the Addison Village Club. So you've got access to all the first-class amenities of Addison Village Club. It's literally walking or biking distance away. I mean, of course, if you got the golf cart, you can rock the golf cart over there, even though you don't really need to. You just go get a little exercise. It's right there. So all that stuff's included. You're part of the Addison Village Club here in Avalonia. Now, as far as availability goes right now, if you're looking for something that's brand new, all of the villas are actually sold out here in Avalonia. Now, there's obviously sometimes opportunities to get in on the resale market. If you guys are looking for that, hit us up. We would love to help you with that. You can call, text, or email. I've got our contact information down in the description. Now, as far as the multis go, Viera Builders still has opportunities to get into the multis. As you can see, there's still a lot that are under construction right there. And some of you have asked, and Pangea Park, which is one of Viera's newer developments, a little bit further south, is actually gonna have a multi-family section similar to what they've got here in Avalonia. So if you want more information on that, definitely let us know. We're gonna continue to cover that. We'll make some videos on that when it's a little bit more complete and we've got more to show you guys. But Pangea Park's gonna have something similar as well. So make sure you guys subscribe so you can keep up to date on when we drop that information. Now, if you're wondering about incentives, Viera Builders right now does have an incentive they're running. You can get basically $9,000 flex cash. You can use that to buy down your interest rate. You can use it to credit it to the price of the home. Really anything else. Some of the preferred lenders that Viera Builders works with, they're also running separate incentives, so that may vary lender to lender. So definitely reach out. We'll make sure you guys have the most up-to-date information on that. And if you guys haven't already done so, make sure you're subscribed to the channel right here. Check out one of these videos next. I'll see you next time.